I will teach you about. Oh, you don't have your heart. What's your name?
My name is Mira。
各位益友，歡迎嚟到 Ready Boom Boom 啊！我係鏡仔，今日我哋嚟到呢度 Route 66，大家都知道呢度係 RCA，就係最出名嘅夜店地方。咁但係當然啦，呢個鐘數嚟呢度，我連門口都未開，梗係嚟到就唔係為咗夜店，而係去體驗呢個劇本殺體驗館。因為以我所知 ，RCA 呢度開咗一間新嘅以劇本殺為主題嘅日式按摩。嗱，咁首先玩劇本殺，你一定要知道咩係劇本殺。劇本殺其實係 board game 嘅一種嚟嘅，佢會有一個故事嘅劇情已經設定咗㗎啦。咁你作為一個參與者嘅話咧，咁你直接根據佢呢個劇情進行一個故事性嘅互動。咁呢一間體驗館就係以呢一種劇本殺為主題。咁我哋今日嚟呢度就係要體驗下，首先佢有咩劇情，同埋佢嘅劇情好唔好玩。Let's go！ 薩瓦迪卡。Here is pay the frame room, right?
Yes.
Yeah, well, I want to try. I want to try.
Okay. Please sit down first. Have a room to represent you. You have fitness room, gym.
Let me see. Okay, let me see. 佢有好多個劇本嘅。我報咗呢個健身房嘅私教課。咁我特登揀咗個美女教練。咁我嚟健身嘅時候，發覺原來淨係得我同阿教練啦。咁跟住仲有呢個，我係一個交換生嚟到泰國，就去報讀呢個泰語課程。但係咧，發覺咧，所有嘅同班同學啊等等咧，都係泰妹嚟嘅。呢個好似最搞笑。This one good. Go to the classroom.
Yes, this one the popular number one.
Popular number one. 不如就試下揀呢個啦。如果係咁嘅話，等我講多次嘅劇情先。總之就要嚟呢度讀泰文課程。咁跟住咧，全部都係泰妹嘅女同學。哇 ！Take me go, yeah, good. 最正嘅，跟住佢行。咁而家我哋去睇一睇佢嗰個 classroom 先。What is this?
This is a foot massage.
I want to try foot massage. Okay.
Okay.
咁呢個位佢係有一個特別嘅按摩室嘅正規嘅按摩喺度啊。如果你等候嘅時間長啊，落嚟等朋友未落嚟啊，咁你可以喺度做個 foot massage 嘅。老闆啱啱同我哋講，佢話如果係我哋嘅粉絲，可以免費送30分鐘嘅呢個正規嘅按摩俾你哋。You do foot massage for me, okay?
Okay.
Okay. 佢又真係講明先啊！佢係 reception 嚟嘅，佢唔係真係按摩嘅，即係按呢個 foot massage 嗰個人係啲姐姐嚟嘅，係啊。但係我覺得 OK。
咁喺度賣個廣告先，想睇更加多嘅旅遊資訊，歡迎瀏覽我哋嘅網頁。你亦都可以加入我哋嘅 Telegram 電報群組同埋頻道，進行更加深入嘅討論。
咁我而家喺度等呢個老師過嚟，咁等間睇下老師係咩情況。益友，我而家決定入讀呢間學校。咁呢間泰國學校咁學一學語言。咁而家有個老師喺度，老師話會帶我去，唔知帶我去邊度。You teacher?
Yes, I'm teacher.
Where we go now?
I bring you go your bedroom.
Go my bedroom.
Yes.
Okay. 而家佢話帶我去宿舍嗰度望下宿舍係點樣。
What's your name?
My name is Mira.
Okay. This is your bedroom.
This is my bedroom.
Yes.
But why bedroom have a?
She is your roommate.
Oh, she is my roommate.
Yes.
What's her name?
Ting Ting.
婷婷。
Yes.
Hey, 婷婷。Hello. She's sick.
Yeah. She sleep.
She sleep.
Yes.
點解一個宿舍入邊會有個女嘅同我一齊瞓嘅咧？我唔係好接受到咯。即係我個人係好保守嘅，所以我唔係好污穢啊！覺得成件事係。So this is my bed.
Yes.
This is my bed. Okay, I try my bed.
Yes. You can try. And you can sleep.
To sit together.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. The bed is not good.
Yeah.
You think you like this bed?
Yes, I like.
You like this bed?
Yes.
You sleep here before?
I sleep upstairs.
You sleep upstairs?
Yes.
But you a teacher?
Yes, I am teacher.
即係 teacher 都瞓埋喺嗰個碌架床上面，唔知點解。我而家試下去宿舍嗰張床睇下點先。唉。
I sleep. Are you tired?
Yeah, I'm tired. 7 days no sleep.
You 7 days, yes, of course, because you every day.
Yeah. You know.
You can rest.
Look, I need your hand for sleep.
Okay.
Are you a good teacher?
Yes, I hold you. Rest.
Teacher, you look so filthy.
Yes, thank you.
I need to study.
Of course, I bring you go see
Classroom.
the classroom.
Classroom here. This is classroom.
Yes.
So,
Your friend.
my friend.
Yes.
Oh, I have many friends.
Yes, you have many friends in here.
Hello.
Yes.
You like? So.
Yes.
So you teach us.
Yes.
Where is my seat?
Choose.
Anywhere I can choose. Here, okay?
Yes.
I sit here.
Yes.
No, I sit here, okay?
Yes. This is your area.
This is my area.
Yes.
Ah, so nice.
You can stand up,
Yeah, sure.
please. Yes.
Yeah,
And you follow me.
follow you.
Okay.
I like to follow you.
D
D,
R
R,
E
E,
A
A,
M.
M. Dream.
Yes, Green.
Ah.
You
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Thank
You are a good teacher.
Yes, you
Yeah.
are good student too.
Yeah, I have a good classmate.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are so cute, classmate.
Hmm?
What's your name, classmate? You look so cute.
Bill.
Bill.
Yes.
How old are you, Bill?
21.
21.
Yeah.
Me too. Yeah, we are friends.
Yes.
hello。呢個係我個旁邊嘅同學。你以前咧最重要咧就係要坐喺女同學嘅隔離，所以我而家已經可以坐喺女同學嘅隔離。啊，女同學啊，what's your name？ 翻。Do you like me？ Yes。又講大話，佢連我樣都未見到，佢就話中意我。咁can you hold my hand？ so nice 嗱，所以坐喺女同學隔離就有咁嘅好處嘅。所以如果你中學係冇女同學坐喺隔離嘅話咧，咁你人生就只係得遺憾咯。我只係咁樣講。我而家就冇遺憾，開心。Happy。我啱啱試晒個宿舍啦，跟住然後有課室啦，咁跟住玩其他嘢。大家我唔開估係咩嘢，大家自己估下。
Hi.
Hello.
Inside?
Inside. Oh, okay.
Yes. Okay, sit down here.
Inside. Oh, okay. Sit here.
Yes. Okay, what's your name?
I'm Newer.
That's my name Niso. Okay.
Lisa, 你好 ，Hello.
So, where you come from?
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong?
Yeah.
Okay, so today I will check your body. It's
Check.
okay?
Oh, okay, it's okay. I'll check my body.
Do you know this?
I don't know. What is this?
Just check your heart. Yes.
The
Don't worry, it's not hurt.
我開就scared.
No. I'm not gonna hurt you, okay?
跟住我感覺到有壓力啊！
Okay.
個壓力係嚟自前方，
Okay, your body is not have problem.
同埋 body 都係夠。
Yes, but you don't have heart.
Yeah. 佢話我冇心肝。
Okay, I will check your heart.
How to check my heart？ 佢而家會 check 我嗰個心臟。佢話我已經冇咗良心，但我個人就係冇良心。
大家好。Sorry.
Sorry,
Yes.
I feel so scared. It's okay.
Oh, you don't have?
I don't have a.
Oh, you don't have your heart
I don't have a.
because you gave me?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Give your heart. This is your heart.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, lay down here.
Yeah.
Take off your shoes.
Okay. 又要做身體檢查，我而家好緊張。
Have problem?
No problem.
Does it's okay?
It's okay. I'm so scared.
Oh, no.
So
Don't
scared.
scare me. Your heart's very fast because me?
Yeah, how you know? I feel so
Yes.
I can't. I can't hold anymore. I want to die.
No. You don't die, okay?
Die. 咁我呢度仲有個健身房，但係啲健身器材其實都算幾齊啊。女就冇辦法啦，因為佢哋 busy 啊，好忙啊，冇辦法。能力越大，責任就越大。嗱咁啊，劇本殺咧就玩完啦。咁啊，成個劇本其實我覺得都幾搞笑嘅，因為佢係真係鋪排晒成個劇情。咁當然啦，個劇情其實你自己可以修改嘅，你唔一定要跟足佢個劇情嚟做嘅。咁其實我自己咧覺得嗰個教室咧係真係幾過癮嘅。咁但係咧教室有個唔好處就係你必須要有好多人一齊同你玩呢個劇本殺。如果你係得自己一個玩劇本殺咧，你喺教室嗰度咧就會比較空虛寂寞啦。咁另外一個我自己幾中意係嗰個專房嘅。總體嚟講嘅，我覺得呢個體驗都係幾過癮嘅，因為咁多競爭之下，佢搞咁多花神嘅話，呢個花神我覺得都算係最大嘅花神。咁同埋不過我覺得玩劇本殺呢啲要用腦嘅活動真係好攰。咁我決定而家喺度休息一下先。咁點都好啦，下次再見。